Okay, hi, I'm Jaime Cruz, and today we're going to be doing AKS 20, which is solve simple, rational, and radical equations in one variable. So first we're going to start out with crossing this. So it's going to be 4 or 5 parentheses x minus 5 equals 4 parentheses 15, because this 5 goes with this and this 15 goes with 4. Okay, so once we distribute 5x minus 25 equals 4 times 15 equals 60. Okay, so after we go here, we're gonna add on both sides. Since this is a positive, you add on both sides. This is a negative, so if it's a negative, you gotta add on both sides. And then 60 plus 25 is 85. 85 equals 5x. Okay, so 85 equals 5x. To get the x at the end of the problem, we have to get x by itself. So this is basically 5 times x. So you have to do the opposite. Whenever you're doing something, you have to do it on both sides. So divide by 5, cancel, x is alone now. So since we did that on the left side, we gotta do that on the right. So x is gonna come down, equals 85 divided by 5 equals 17. And this is your answer. We're gonna do another example of AKS 20, which is solving simple rational and radical equations in one variable. So for this one, let's name this one number 1, this one number 2. Okay, so it's basically the same thing as we're doing from number 1. So we cross multiply 15 x minus 6 equals 3 negative 2x minus 2. Okay, now distributive property. 15x minus 90. Okay, so this is what we're gonna get once we do the first step. The second step is we'll add 6 on both sides. So this will turn into 84 equals negative 6x, 15x. So now we're gonna, since these are common, we're gonna have to subtract on both sides. This is a positive right now. So if it's a positive, we subtract. So 15, bring down to negative 84. Negative 6 minus negative 15 is negative 21x. So once we get here, we're gonna once again have to leave x by itself. So to get x by itself, we're gonna have to divide by negative 21. So we divide by negative 21. 21 cancels out on this side. X is alone right now. Do it on this side. Negative, oh shoot, my bad, I wrote wrong. 21, negative 21, divide, x equals 4, positive, because these two are negatives. When you divide two negatives, it turns into a positive. So now your answer is 4. And that's how you solve simple, rational, and radical equation using one variable. And in these examples, it was the same. There's different ways of how to do this, but I did it the way of how you cross multiply by by like doing this. The denominators go with the numerators of the opposite. So 15 went to over here, 3 went over here. Like how 5 went up here, 15 went up here to 4. Thank you.